Hey, welcome to day one of the Gentle Core Yoga 7-day challenge. Before we begin working on your core, it's really important to check if you have an ab separation, also known as Diastasis Recti. This simple check takes just a few minutes and will help you understand where your core strength is starting from. Ab separation happens when the connective tissue between your abdominal muscles stretches and weakens, causing the left and right abs to pull apart. This is very common, especially after pregnancy, but it can also happen to men, athletes, or anyone with increased pressure through the belly. If left unhealed, diastasis recti can lead to back pain, poor posture, a belly pooch, or even pelvic floor issues. The pelvic floor and the abs are deeply connected, so by learning how to check and then train correctly, you're setting yourself up for a stronger, flatter, and more functional core. Let's check this together. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place one hand behind your head for support. With your other hand, place your fingertips just above your belly button. Now gently lift your head and shoulders a little as if starting a crunch. Feel with your fingertips. Do you notice a gap or soft space between the left and right ab muscles? Try checking above, directly over, and just below the belly button. A separation of more than 2 finger widths means you have a diastasis recti. But don't worry, if you do have a ab separation, you're in the right place and it's super common. So we're going to be healing that as well as building your strongest core ever here in this series. So to begin with, laying back on your back, so releasing that. If you need to, of course, take some more time to check for an ab separation, you can pause the video. Now let's practice the most important foundation, deep belly breathing with pelvic floor connection. Going to inhale and expand your rib cage sideways and let your belly button soften. As you exhale, gently drawing your belly button in, lifting through your pelvic floor, and imagine your core wrapping around you like a corset. This is the first step in healing separation and rebuilding core strength. Let's do that again. Inhale, expand ribs, softening the belly, and then exhaling as you draw your belly in and lifting the pelvic floor. And continuing to do that. Inhale, expand the ribs, softening the belly. Exhale, draw the belly in, belly button to spine, and lifting the pelvic floor. Bringing your mind to those muscles that we're working, imagining that there's that corset that's wrapping all the way to really hold the core together. There's a zipping up sensation from the pelvic floor all the way up, keeping it going. So whether or not you have a separation, this 7-day Gentle Core Yoga Challenge is safe and effective for everyone. These are the exact exercises I use to heal my own ab separation after having my 5 babies, and they'll help you build your strongest core ever. As I said, it's not just those that have babies that have an ab separation. This is a very common thing. And so make sure that you subscribe and continue on to day 2, where we begin the Gentle Core series together. You've got this. Can't wait to share your journey with you to your strongest core. You can stay here and continue practicing this deep core breathing for as long as you like before moving on to day 2. Can't wait to see you there. Take care. See you soon.